Located in Foshan, Guangdong, with a highly skilled team of engineers and technicians, we provide a wide range of motorcycle carbon fiber accessories, including carbon fiber fenders, winglets, hangers, belly pan, fuel tank covers, swing arm covers, sprock, ET covers, body fairings, and etc. Carbon fiber is an extremely lightweight and extremely stable revolutionary material, made into products with clear lines, strong three-dimensional sense. We use dry carbon process that combines autoclave forming, high-precision cutting, and high-tech painting equipment with the finest work to provide you carbon fiber parts. At AKoso, all products are handmade. The process include open mold, put 3 layers carbon fabric into mold, vacuum pumping, cutting and polishing, sandblasting, polished, drying, products finished. Each piece is designed not only to enhance the performance of motorcycles, but also to elevate their aesthetic appeal. We have professional team and are experts in custom development, offering tailored solutions to meet unique client requirements. Whether it's a custom design for a single rider or large-scale production for OEM, ODM partners, our R&D team collaborates closely with customers to bring their visions to life. Rapid tooling and mold development, aerodynamic and fitment bike testing. Choose AKoso, your trusted partner in premium carbon fiber accessory solutions. Welcome to contact us to explore how we can help elevate your brand and business to the next level.